Hi everyone. If you have ever struggled with candy thermometers or stovetop brittles, then I have some great news for you today. I'm going to share with you my microwave peanut brittle recipe that never fails and is one of my most requested holiday treats. It is quick, it is easy, and makes the perfect holiday gift. And if you are skeptical, hang with me and let me show you how to make this microwave peanut brittle. To a microwave safe bowl, add 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of corn syrup. And then mix together really good until all that sugar is incorporated into the corn syrup. Then microwave on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1.5 cups of dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts and stir them into the corn syrup mixture. And then microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, stir and then back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now you're going to want to stir this really quick because this sets up really fast. But stir until that butter has melted and it should get foamy. And then pour on a baking tray that I've lined with aluminum foil, and there is no need to grease that foil. Just straight on there. Spread it out. And then let it cool completely. And then all you gotta do is just break it into pieces. So that's all there is to making this delicious peanut brittle, and it comes out perfect every single time. It breaks apart really nice. And one thing I love about it is I've had peanut brittle before that like sticks to my teeth. This does not. It has such a nice crunch to it. You will want to make this. I'm just saying. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my upcoming videos. God bless, and I'll see you next time.